please put our hand together and welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Baey Keng, Minister of State for Ministry of Culture, Community and Youth, and Ministry of Transport. Good evening, distinguished guests, fellow artists, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, and thank you all for joining us on the official opening of the Singapore Watercolour Society 56th Annual Exhibition and the 17th National Junior Watercolour Competition Prize Presentation Ceremony. Without further ado, let's welcome Mr. Donald Tan, our President of Singapore Watercolour Society, to deliver his welcome address. Mr. Tan, please.
Mr. Baey Keng, Minister of State for MCCY and the Ministry of Transport. Dr. Ho Kah Leong, Advisors to the Federations of the Arts Society of Singapore. Ms. Loh Sin Ling, NAFA Board Chairman. Mr. Ong Kim Seng, Honorary President of the SWS. Mr. and Mrs. Alvaro, welcome to Singapore. Thank you. And of course, Mr. Alvin Tan, the Chief Executive of the Singapore Chinese Cultural Center. SWS advisors, presidents, and key officials of the various arts societies, fellow artists, parents, teachers, students, and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a very good evening to all, and a warm welcome to the 56th Annual Exhibitions and the prize presentation of the 17th National Junior Watercolour Competition 2025. First, let me give a short speech in Mandarin. 各位嘉宾，晚上好！很开心的看到很多好朋友、老朋友、新朋友到这里来支持我们水彩画会的开幕，我觉得很光荣。今年是我们建国60周年，为了纪念这个 SG 60的一个大盛事呢，我们今年7月画会就把全国青少年水彩比赛的主题定为是我的新加坡，我们的明天，让那些5岁到12岁的小学生，自由发挥，画出他们想象中的将来的新加坡。我们也将首次把中学生那一组别的现场比赛移到滨海湾，让学生自己选择他们的角度，描绘新加坡的城市风貌。这个比赛呢，很开心，我们总共吸引了1200个作品。那么新加坡有一大批的画家和美术爱好者，他们也以新加坡的景色作为题材作画，到处把新加坡的街景记录下来。今天有好多作品都在呈现在这个会场。画会我们也坚持的在户外写生，总共超过50多年，从来都没有终止过。疫情之内，我们也小组的到外面去写生。那么几乎1周里面7天都有不同的组别和不同的群组到处在外写生，当中有初学者，也有老中青聚在一起，我们一起交流学习。我说这个是非常健康的一个现象。根据我们的记录，我们画会我看都有20-30个资深的会员，年过80，他们好多还在一起跟我们一起在外面写生，从来都没有埋怨，他们都一起很乐意的分享他们的心得，譬如刘培和老师、李运琪老师、王金城老师、麦克还有谢江水老师。更难的这些资深的会员呢，一直对画会非常的支持。每年的年展，他们都把他们的作品，大的作品都带过来，他们都没有埋怨。我觉得这个是非常开心的一件事情。他们也很关心画会的一些发展，每次给我们很多意见。在这里我很感激他们，我要跟他们说声谢谢。我在画会服务了好多年，不论在现任或者历任的理事，他们都任劳任怨的为画会的艺术奉献，我觉得是值得我们去 学习的。我的直觉就是，这些都是我们所谓的新加坡精神，这也是我们新加坡强大的一个理由。那么，新加坡精神也使到我们的画会逐渐的成长。那么接下来，我也希望我们画会能够继续的成长，继续的多元化、国际化，那么再做一些非常辉煌的一些成绩出来。Let me continue this in English. The annual exhibitions for the Society is a major highlight every year in our calendar. It is a platform for members to showcase their creativities, diversity, and innovations in watercolor. This year, we are proud to present the work of about 100 members' works, which offering a unique perspective and their personal style. Of course, a special highlight of this year's exhibition is the participation of an international acclaimed watercolor master, Mr. Alvaro. He's known for his bold brushwork, emotional intensity, and masterful compositions. I witnessed this morning. Alvaro's works is also captured the soul of his subject with passion and flair. We are indeed honored to welcome him as both an exhibitor and a guest demonstrator. Now, he especially flew in, both of them, husband and wife, flew in all the way from Europe, 14 hours. And last night, he arrived yesterday, and he came straight to the exhibition hall. And all the works that is displayed right behind you are special works that he has produced. He's here for a 3 days master class workshop that he started this morning. And he will also be conduct a public demonstration at this location on Saturday at 2:30 p.m. Don't miss it, because he's really has his own style. We witnessed this morning, and he's a fun guy. Yeah. And his presence really brings a global dimension to our exhibition, and we hope his artistry and will inspire both the seasoned and aspiring young talents. In conjunction with this exhibition, we also reaffirm the commitment to nurturing the next generation through our National Junior Watercolor competitions. Now in its 17th edition. Now this initiatives continues to spark interest and talents in young artists across Singapore. We are indeed thrilled to have received over 1,200 entries this year. The 54 winning artworks across the 3 age categories will be exhibited along those of our members, offering an exciting glimpse into the future of watercolor arts. Now, this year also marks an exciting new chapters for us with the launch of an international youth categories on the sport competition. As part of the pilot programs, these new categories attracted around 100 young participants from overseas. This also reflects our commitment to expanding opportunities for youth on the global platforms. Over 250 artworks were on display today, covering an array of subjects such as landscape, flora, still life, portraits, street scenes, and not forgetting my chicken. A curated selection of these works are also available on our website, because this exhibition is online and offline, yeah? And it'll be available for a year for people to view it. Now, in closing, I would like to thank, I want to express my deepest gratitude to the followings: the National Art Council, the Singapore Chinese Cultural Center for allowing us to use this beautiful venue, Singapore Art Federation, participating artists, students, parents, teachers for their continued support. And also special thanks must go to my generous sponsors like Art Friends, Asia Cultural Communications, GF&A for their partnership with us in the National Junior Competition, believing in us, supporting us. Together, we nurture the young artists' talents. Thanks also goes to my dedicated organizing committee. Your passions and commitments have made this exhibition a reality. And to all of you who are present this evening, we warmly invite you to explore and join and be inspired by the works on display at this exhibition. Thank you very much.